Okay, so this first one, what would this be called? Cube root, okay? So this is the cube root. And so tell me how the cube root function is related to the cubic function. It's the what? It's the inverse. Good. So cubic, we know what that one looks like, right? And so cube root, we got a few key points. Our key points would be like 0, 0, then what? What's another good one? 1, 1. Does that one work? Yeah, -1, -1. Right, but we don't draw a line. Does it look like but this is the cube root. What does the cubic look like? It's on the sideways, yeah, because it just gets reflected in the line y equals x. So it should look something like that. Okay? We good? Yes? All right. So this, because this should all, for the most part, be a review to you. Which one is this one? What's this? Square root. Okay. And so f of x equals the square root. Oh, not the square root. Square root of x. Inverse square. So what does that function, what's the actual function look like? F of x equals what? 1 over x squared. Okay. All right. So that one was a new one to you, I believe, because the reciprocal was not. Do we have any asymptotes here? Yes. What are our asymptotes? Y equals 0 and x equals 0. So these are both our asymptotes. Since it's 1 over x squared, then are any of my y values going to be negative? No, they're all positive, right? And then it looks, yes? We good? All right. So what is this one? Exponential. Good. And you only have 1 point, so you have no idea what the base is, right? Well, for the parent function, as long as there's no transformations, it will always be 0, 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay. So f of x equals what? B to the x. Okay, so what's this one? Semicircle. All right, so on this one, we don't have any numbers at all, but we can still sketch it, right? Because we know what a semicircle looks like, so it looks something like that, but better. Right? It bothers me. Oh, goodness gracious. There we go. That's not even any better. But I tried. But then my key points here, I can label them. What would I label this one? Negative a. And this will be a, and this would be a. Right? I just know 3. 3, I know we've been using 9. But remember on this, right, just have this little note here, that A is the radius. Right? Because this is x squared plus y squared equals r squared for the circle. That's not the semicircle, that's the circle. But when we solve for y, then we subtract x squared over this right here is just r squared. That's all it is. So a is the radius, whatever that is. All right, reciprocal. What does the function in function notation look like? F of x equals 1 over x. Good. Do we have any asymptotes here? Yes, we have x equals 0 and y equals 0. All right, so on this one, can we have any y's that are negative? Yes. Okay. And then this one just looks like this. All right. Any questions at all on those? No? We good? Okay, awesome.